Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Walmart weekly scenes. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you will search about the application of Walmart and you will enter. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.